Technical Corner.
I'm joined in today's Technical Corner by Steve of Tungaloy. Today we're going to be talking about your extensive drilling range, Steve. Take it away.
Hi Joe. Yeah, I'll start with our Tdx drill. We call Trung Drill Twisted. It's Tungaloy's first drill that we brought to market 20, 30 years ago. And it's what we class as our flagship drill. Grades for all grades and chip breakers for all materials, with a 4-edged insert, giving strong and stable drilling.
For turning centres and machining centres?
Yeah, you can use it on drilling machines, dedicated drilling machines, lathes, milling machines. It will even go onto a manual machine with few problems. So yeah, it's a very versatile tool.
Good. And this next one?
The Trung Drill 6 is a revolutionary drill brought to market with 6 cutting edges, and it's a drill that we introduced to the market for economical reasons and stability reasons as well. Because it's a double-sided insert, it gives you stronger cutting edges with less breakage.
Yes, that's actually got 6 edges on that. Is that I don't know another one. Is that unique?
It's unique to the market at the moment. Tungaloy, it is a Tungaloy first. It is worth mentioning as well that with a 6-sided insert, because it's 6 sides, it gives you a thicker insert, which makes the insert stronger, giving you diameter range from 20mm up to 54.
And this actually looks like a high feed insert to me. So how does that compare to other drills? Is it similar feed rates or more or less?
Feed rates can be pushed if necessary, but the drill is designed for economics and particularly for stability in unfavourable conditions.
So on these two, there's no doubt there's going to be a crossover. So does this typically do smaller sizes and that larger?
I would say the diameter range with the Tdx drill, which is the traditional one, is 12.5mm up to 54mm. The TDS drill, which is the 6-sided insert, will give you 20mm up to 54mm. So there is an overlap in diameter range, but as I say, with regards to general application, the Tdx drill would be our first offering. TDS drill offers you economics and stability.
Okay, so you don't look at one as a performance necessarily and one as a budget?
No, we tend to judge case by case on what customer requirements are, diameter range, material range, and the types of machine they're going on.
How about materials? Have you got grades of inserts and chip breakers for various material groups? Yeah,
chip breakers to suit all materials, along with chip grades as well. Anything really from cast irons up to high temp alloys.
Great. You've also got the camlock style here.
Yes, yeah, we've gone with what we call our easy change drilling system with an indexable head. This is for more precision drilling with accuracy as a focal point on the drill.
And do you just twist it on, or has it got a screw from underneath?
No, we access our drills from the head, which means they don't have to be taken out of the machine for change, hence the easy change, with a key which we provide that slots into the insert, allowing quick and easy change.
And that's repeatable, so we don't need to take it out and use a preset.
No, we have three location points within the insert and the tool, which is where the accuracy and stability comes from. But it also locks into place via the 2 tangs that are provided by the tool.
And in terms of diameter ratios, is it 3 diameter, 5 times diameter?
We go from 1.5 diameter up to 8 diameter as standard, on 6mm up to 25mm diameter range. So there's an extensive range available in that as well.
Sure, and similar one here, ratios?
Yeah, we are traditionally with the indexable drill types, you go 3D up to 5D as standard. We also do bigger diameters above the 54mm on a 2.5D diameter range.
It's a big range.
Yes, definitely.
Thanks, Steve.
No problem.